can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show.
Welcome back, guys. So what's up? Today I'm here with Cynosure here once more. Same drawstring packaging as usual, same color, everything. And you know, here we have the wig, and then I got a few goodies. I got a pair of wig caps, I got a headband and adjustable strap. The headband is branded Cynosure hair. And then lastly in the bag, I got a pair of lashes. So for today's wig, I got a really nice 5x5 lace closure, kinky edge lace closure curly wig. Yes, this is like a gorgeous deep wave vibe. Oh my gosh, this wave, oh, I don't even feel like I wanted this. I don't want to wet this up. This is so pretty. This wave pattern is so pretty. Let me know what you guys think. This is 22 inches long. Alright, and as I said, it's a 5x5 lace closure. You know, very realistic kinky edge vibe. And this is not like deeply plucked, so you could go in and pluck it more if you wish, because for whatever portion that is plucked is the kinky edge part, so you could go in and do what you wish with that. But yeah, it comes like with a center part and everything. You can make the parting a little longer because it is 5x5. So yeah, it's a natural color, 1B, but it's really nice and full, and it's very soft and silky. I love how intact the waves are, and I want to keep it that look. You know, this is gonna be quite a quick install, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so that's how it looks when I slip it on. I know it looks weird, but we're gonna go ahead and finesse it to get it as realistic looking as possible. So I'm definitely gonna make the part longer there, the parting, and just pull back, you know, the edges. I'm gonna cut these down too. They're a bit long. You know, we don't need the edge portion being that long. So, you know, you can definitely go in and cut that down. So, what I'm going to do though, what I'm going to focus on doing is I'm going to just take my Ebin spray, Ebin lace bond adhesive mega hold, extra mega hold spray. And you guys know the drill. One spray right across to get that real dry and nice and flat and melted. Just one go. And I like how full on lace print we have to be doing it in sections and stuff. Now, one time, boom, dry. Super easy, super quick. So I got my blow dryer, and let's just go ahead and spray away. Down, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut away the extra lace. Usually when I do this, you guys know that like the very edge will sometimes lift. All you have to do is go back over that with a little bit of spray to just get it really nice and laid. That's all it is to it. So wherever you see like it's lifty and like kind of casty, that's all you have to do. I'm not gonna do any swoop, right? I'm gonna make it like be very natural, even though the textures are different, you know, they're very different. So, you know, it's totally up to you if you want to go ahead. I just want to go ahead and demonstrate you guys the whole kinky edge vibe that, you know, this wig has. I don't want to hide it by, you know, applying products to kind of straighten it out.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to
So that's how it looks with the kinky edge. Cut down, not finessed at all, just in its natural state. That's how it looks. That's how we're looking, okay? So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is like extend the parting.
I can show you, yeah. I can show you, yeah.
It goes a good way back. I don't know why they shortened. They made it so short. Because honestly, I prefer when my wigs have depth with the parting. I mean, you can still make it work with a short parting, but like, I don't know, it just looks nicer when you have a nice deep part. And then I'm gonna get my hot comb and get it nice and laid. What I'm gonna do is take my time and just kind of run my fingers through it. Not too aggressive, oh my gosh. And it's just fluffing so nicely. You see that? So this, as opposed to this, is so flat. No, I definitely love the volume. And that way the edges kind of match more now. Because, you know, with it being this, you know, voluminous, like the textured edge definitely shines through a little bit more. So I am getting some shedding. I'm getting a little bit of shedding. So run my fingers through and I get it. It's curly here, so you're gonna get a little bit more than if it was body wave or, you know, even straight here. This is so nice. I feel like I wanna brighten my parting though. It's so pretty. That's how it looks up close. This is just me showing you guys it without you doing any swoop or anything like that. I'm just giving you guys it in its rawest state of it being like a textured edge lace closure wig. Alright, so I just want you guys to get that straight. If you want to go ahead and, you know, finesse this with your gel or your spray, you can. And it looks even, it will match this texture even more once you do that, because it will then like define the curl of this portion even more. But if you don't want to do all of that, if you can't be bothered, this is an option. I feel like, and this is why they're doing a lot of wigs like this. You guys have seen me do quite a bit of textured edge wigs now, so you know, yeah, it's definitely trending for sure. Like 100% textured edges are in. Okay, so embrace your textured edge. You don't have to do swoops, you don't have to do baby hairs, just be natural, just, you know, rock it as is. It's really not a big deal. It's actually a look, it's a vibe. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Super easy, super simple, very quick. I told you, it's a closure wig. So shout out to Cynosure here for upping their game, giving you some versatility, something different. I've always gotten like textured edge lace fronts. I haven't gotten a textured edge lace closure. So this is a first. This is a first. It's cute. It's doing what it's supposed to do. I'm going to be sure to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box if you guys are interested in getting this for yourself. Alright, it's really pretty, really cute, great for vacation. I feel like closure wigs are so awesome for vacation, especially if you don't, because you don't want to be dealing with you know, a full-on lace with, you know, adhesive, and when it's lifted, I feel like with a closure wig it sticks to this specific area a little easier. So that's just me. And that's what I've observed over time. But yeah, that is it. Hope you guys found this video today informative, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So until then, I will